Hello friends! In this short tutorial, we will review simple and practical tricks for editing edges. But before anything else, as always, I recommend installing the useful add-ons 3D Viewport Pie menu and Machine 3D Tools. First, by holding down the Alt key, we select an edge loop, and in X-ray view, we deselect the unnecessary part. Then, by turning on the proportional editing icon or using the shortcut O, we extrude the selected edges to an appropriate size. Then we soften the edge by pressing the Ctrl-B keys and adding segments to it with the S keys. And we check the model in solid mode to ensure the face normals. Finally, we easily increase the range of selected edges with the 3D Viewport Pie menu add-on using the A key and select Relax option by right-clicking. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Please support this channel in any way you can.